When you log into Service 365, you will see all these tiles on the homepage. So you can access every part of the system from the homepage. Now, if you're a field worker or somebody with fewer permissions, you may not see all of these tiles depending on what it is you do. Maybe if you're working in the field, you may be just going to see timesheets, jobs, and the scheduler. But if you're an admin user, you're going to see all of these tiles and you can access every part of the system from here. So here you have the main parts of the system like quotes, jobs, purchase orders, scheduling, reports, etc. can all be found here from the home page. So if we just take a general look around, we go into our customers, and here is where I have all of my customers. Now, it's important to note that if you become a customer of Service 365, if you take on the system, then we can upload all of your customers, vendors, individual contacts, inventory, and all of your employees ahead of time. So that's part of the onboarding service for Service 365, is that we can get all that data in there from your old system, spreadsheets, whatever it is you're using right now. If I go into one of my customers, and this is a very typical layout of the system with tabs here and with some summary fields and a hamburger menu to give you more options. If I go and take a look at the customer history here, and I can see every quote, every job, every piece of contact I've ever had with this customer. So I can filter it by, say, invoices, for example, and I can see the status of every invoice and the amount that we've ever done for this customer. So that's something that's really helpful for your technicians. When they get to site, if they need to see customer service history, they can do that right from their phone or tablet. They can pull up all this information. So it's important to note as well that everything you can do within Service 365, with the exception of creating charts and dashboards, which we'll cover later, everything else can be done on the mobile using a mobile phone or a tablet just as easily as it can here in the desktop version.